Hey crew, welcome to New York. I am stoked right now. I just ordered an Uber and I'm about to head out to Heliport, and I'm going to go flying with FlyNYON, which is a helicopter company. And their big thing is that they take you up in a helicopter with no doors, and you get to take a foot selfie with like the Empire State Building or Central Park or the World Trade Center. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I'm pumped. So my Uber's almost here and it's time to go. I'm sitting right on the edge. I'm pretty stoked. Here we go. Back at the heliport. That was way cooler than I thought it was going to be. It's kind of like the scary part of skydiving, except without skydiving. So next time you're in New York, go check out FlyNYON, and it's an experience you won't forget. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys next week.